On today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how the market took everything from me. Every last cent, every drip of profit, everything. I mean, let's just get into it. I mean, today was just rough. Today was terrible. So the first thing that happened is, we were getting our liquidity sweep, and we came up and we formed our equilibrium. If I can do this. Formed our equilibrium, and I'm like, alright, we're just going to retrace down to this equilibrium, into this fair value gap, and probably go back up to target this high. But I was wrong. And so I noticed that we actually started to invalidate this equilibrium. So, what do? I enter, of course. Right, enter. And I'm targeting, where's it at? I'm targeting this and that. Alright. That's what I put in for my trade. Because we invalidated this equilibrium, I'm like, alright. And NQ is still respecting this little gap. But I'm like, nah, it's fine for real. But one thing I didn't notice is that there's actually an SMT right here. Right, there's an SMT with NASDAQ leading down, as you can see. ES was technically more bullish. So I sell, and I come all the way down here. I'm up like pretty decent amount. I'm like, all right, and as you can see, it hit this take profit. It would be take profit 1 if I would have entered on NQ, and I would have went break even. I would have made money today. Would have made money today. But I actually get tagged out. So basically, what I went wrong with this trade right here is I didn't notice the SMT, and I mean, that's really it. If I would have entered on NQ, I would have hit my partials, and I would have went break even right away, and I would have made money. So that's already down around 500 bucks. So I'm like, all right, it's whatever. We're still we grabbed this liquidity and we're starting to beam up now. So let me just get rid of some of this stuff real quick. And then we come back down. And what I'm thinking here is, all right, what do we got? We have our equilibrium after that liquidity sweep. And we just chill for a little bit, And on ES, we also have that liquidity sweep. We didn't have the liquidity sweep, but we had a SMT with our equilibrium. And basically, for me to enter, I want to inverse this gap, because there was also a 1 hour gap that it was delivering from. So I don't need my 5-minute gap anymore. So I noticed that on ES, and I think it was this candle that I entered off of, and I entered along a little bit down here, and my first take profit was there, my second one was up here, and bang, we hit our take profit 1, we go break even, and then we get crushed. Well, not really crushed, but we get out of the trade from that candle. And I'm kind of glad that I went break even, because we did a whole lot of nothing for the past hour. And this is where it's at now. So yeah, I kind of lost everything today. Total of 12 cents. I lost 12 cents today trading. So, I mean, I got my little give back, and I pretty much in break even, but that 12 cents hurt. It hurt. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. Peace.